mathematicians. So boys and girls, today we're going to talk about something called greater than and talked about before. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just kind of review with you a little bit about the symbols, because that's really what you're going to be using today on Seesaw. You're going to be using the symbols to tell me what is greater than and what is less than. And so the trick to this, if you remember we talked about this at school, is to have the alligator eat the bigger number. No matter which side the number is on, the alligator is going to eat the bigger number. So for example, if we have the number 7 and 5, we're going to need to use the symbol to show which is bigger or greater, okay? So one of the things that you are going to do that to help yourself is to make sure that the alligator eats the bigger number. We know that 7 is greater than 5. And just remember, when we did this, we drew the alligator's teeth, and that kind of helped us. Now, what if the number 5 was actually over here and the number 7 was over here? Well, that would say 5 is less than 7. But as I mentioned, the alligator still has to eat that bigger number. So this time, that alligator is going to have to face the 7 this way. So no matter which way it is, the alligator is always going to eat the bigger number. I have a little song for you that's really cute, and I'm going to just share that with you really super fast. And then I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing on Zoom, okay? So let me share with you that little song. Alrighty.
An alligator living in the swamp, sneak up on numbers and start to chomp. Whenever 2 numbers sat on the ground, she'd face the bigger one and gobble it down. When there are 2 numbers that are the same, the gator changes form and she swaps her name. Because she isn't sure exactly how to dine, she stands right in the middle as an equal sign. Number gators like to eat what's greater. They turn their backs on what is less. Their mouths open wide for a bigger side, and they munch down the whole great mess.
All right, you guys, that was cute, right? So then today on Seesaw, you're going to actually be doing exactly that. You're going to be figuring out, just like the number gator eats the number that is greater. So let's see if we can find Seesaw real quick. And let me share that with you just so you know what exactly you are going to be doing today. All right, guys. So let's share the screen. So here we have greater or less than, and here you see the symbols. So your job today is going to be to click on that hand. So down here on the bottom left, there's the symbol for the hand or the little finger. You're going to click that, and then you're going to start counting. You have an oval here and an oval here filled with Unifix cubes. You're going to need to count how many cubes are on each side, and then in the center, you're going to go ahead and drag and drop the symbol that is either greater than or less than. So let's take a minute and let's count the cubes over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 cubes on the left in this oval. And let's try the one on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're comparing the numbers 9 and 7. Which one is greater? Well, we know that 9 comes after 7, so that must mean that 9, the oval on the left, is greater. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find the greater sign on the top right. I'm going to grab that sign, I'm going to drag it over here, and I'm going to put it right in the center there. So 9 is greater than 7. Now let me really quick show you over here on page 2. It's going to be the same exact thing. The only difference is they're giving you the numbers. So you're going to compare 7 and 2. Is 7 greater than or less than 2? Well, we know that after we count to the number 2, in order to get to 7, we have to continue to count, which means that 7 is greater than 2. So now I'm going to go over here to the top left, and I'm going to click on that hand, that little gator sign, and I'm going to slide it in there, and I'm going to go ahead and click that. So 7 is greater than 2. See how the greater than sign is the alligator is eating the bigger number? That's your trick. Make sure that wherever the greater number is, it's always eating the bigger number. Okay, guys? So that's going to be it for today. I hope you have a great afternoon, marvelous mathematicians. All right? Practice hard. You're doing an amazing job, and I will see you back here tomorrow. All right, guys? Love you.